out in Northern California day use area. The MX Sport. I used to get quite a bit of gold out of here in the 1800s. And I do some panning and prospecting here in the summer months when the river's lower. But for now, today I'm going to take MX Sport and see how we do in this day use area. I've used other metal detectors here before, and VLF metal detectors usually don't do well here because of the mineralization of the soil, and there's just tons of hot rocks here. So anyway, let's see how the MX Sport does in prospecting mode, and hopefully find some good targets. Ground balances, they're pretty high too, like 78. The detector runs pretty smooth on, we're at like sensitivity 5, and it's not too bad. I've run a few other detectors here, VLF detectors, and they wouldn't even operate. It's so mineralized. The MX Sport seems to be pretty stable. I got it in prospecting mode right now. Not even getting VDI on that one. Yeah, hot rock. That's what I was thinking. Tons of hot rocks. Jumping around, it's probably a bottle cap. We'll dig it up and see what it is. Right there. The soil here is really rocky, so I use this little pick, and I'm out here in this. It was an old mining site in the 1800s, so it's not a manicured place that I have to be careful about digging neat holes. If I get close to the MX Sport with a pinpointer, it lets me know. Oh, there it is. Let's see what it is. It's like a piece of melted aluminum or something. Yeah, it's pretty obvious when you hit a target. When you hit a target with the MX Sport, even in this really mineralized ground, the signal's pretty strong, so there's no guess. Let's see what else we can find. Everybody's favorite, twist cap. A pretty solid hit here. It's here somewhere. Another screw cap. Love these things. Another hit here. I don't know if you can see the screen with the glare or not. Kind of jumping around. Probably a bottle cap or something. It's like 30. Low 20s to 30s, 40s. Let's see what it is. Oh, I see it. Beaver tail. Cleaning the forest, one beaver tail at a time. That's what I do. Got another signal. It's kind of bouncing around all over the place. I'm gonna dig it up and see what it is. Oh, there's a piece of glass right there. So hopefully it's not the top of a bottle or something. That looks like beaver tail. Yep, that's why it was bouncing around all over the place. And where's that piece of glass at? Take that with me. There it is. Alright, more garbage. Pretty easy to pinpoint with the Detech coil. A little 7-inch coil is pretty sweet. The 10-inch stock coil is pretty easy to, I haven't had any problems pinpointing with it either, but The little 7 inches is really, really easy. I think this is probably some kind of bottle cap or pull tab or something. We'll find out. Hiding. Where you at? Looks like we got a coin. Oops. Chunk of it's missing. I'm assuming it's probably a zinkin. Got a little corner missing. Anyway, that's cool. First coin out here today. That'll work. I have no idea what this is, but it sounds good. It's like 0, 0, and then like 4. Let's see what it is. It doesn't seem like it's very big. Right on the surface. Piece of foil. Sounded good. Yep. More junk. Could turn off the pinpointer before I put it in my pocket. Off to the next. Got another one hitting in mid-40s, sometimes up into the 60s, but mostly mid-40s, 50s. It's probably bottle cap or pull tab or something, but you never know. Not very deep. Looks like I'm not sure. It's definitely metal. Probably a piece of aluminum that was in the campfire or something that made its way over here. On to the next. In the summertime, the creek, right here, it's a calm pool, deep hole right here, and there's There's a rope swing on the other side of the bank there. You can climb up on the rock there and swing out into the water, but that's not going to be for a while. It's ripping through here. You end up underneath those logs. Had a lot of rain this winter. See, it was up quite a bit higher here. A lot of brush and stuff snagged up in the alders. Pretty decent hit here. It's like bouncing into the 80s, mid 70s, low 70s. Let's see what this is. Right there. Look at that 22 shell. This thing's super sensitive. The MX Sport, it picks up tiny little. I don't even know if that was it. That may have just been something else. I gotta get my pinpointer out of the way. Right here. A root or something in there too. Oh, there's a coin. Looks like it's like a penny. No, it's a dime. It's a dime. So there was a 22 shell here. And a dime. Doesn't look like an old one, but it's pretty cool. It was telling me that there was a couple different things there, so a couple different things in the same hole.